Welcome back to the online student. Today we're going to be looking at the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you what a determinant is, how to calculate the determinant, and then we're going to be looking at two examples. Now, what is a determinant? Let's say we have the following system of equations, where x and y are variables and the other letters are just coefficients. We want to know if this system of equations has a solution, so that there is a certain value for x and y, so that this system of equation is correct. We can do this by using a determinant. To find the determinant, we take all the coefficients of our variables and we put it in a matrix. The determinant of this matrix determines whether this matrix or system has a solution or not. The determinant of this matrix ABCD can be denoted like this, with straight lines instead of these parentheses. If the determinant is equal to 0, then there is no solution to the system. However, if the determinant is not equal to 0, then there is one solution to the system. But how do we calculate this determinant? Well, the determinant of a 2x2 matrix, which in this case is ABCD, is given by A multiplied with D minus B multiplied with C. To visualize this, we'll use some colors. First, we multiply each element on the green line, so we have A times D. Then we multiply each element on the red line, which is B times C, and we subtract it from the green elements. And this is all there is to it, so it's really easy. Let's have a look at an example. We have this system of two equations. The first step is to put these coefficients of our variables x and y into a matrix. Then, the determinant of this matrix, which can be denoted with these straight lines, is given by the multiplication of the elements on the green line, so 5 times 3, and we subtract the multiplication of the elements on our red line, which is 8 times 2. Then all there is to it is to simplify this, so we have 15 minus 16, which is equal to minus 1. And we know that if the determinant is not equal to 0, then there is one solution. If you were to solve this system, you would find that these are the variables for x and y. If you want to know how to solve systems with matrices, I strongly recommend you watching my other video on the Gauss-Jordan method. Let's have a look at another example. Now we have this system of equations. The first step is to put all these coefficients of our variables into a matrix again. The determinant of this matrix, which can be represented by these straight lines, is given by the multiplication of the elements on our green line, so we have 2 times 9, and we subtract the multiplication of the elements on our red line, which is 6 times 3. This is equal to 18 minus 18, so this is equal to 0. Now we know that if the determinant is equal to 0, then there is no solution. So if you were to try to solve this system, you would not be able to find a solution for x and y. That's it for 2x2 matrices. There will be another video on 3x3 matrices. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.